Here is how blessing water can improve your mind and your body. Stay tuned. So this thing here, that water, is what you're mostly made of. Most of your brain is water. Every single cell in your body, and you're made of anything from 50 to 100 trillion cells, and every single one of your cells needs quality water. And I want to show you not just how to bless your water, but how to get the most out of your water. So the first thing is, we've got to get back to nature. We have to remember that nature was here before us. This amazing planet that we get to live on has an intelligence to it. You have an intelligence to you. The universe has an intelligence to itself, and we're a product of that. So we want to go back to nature and see, what does nature do with water? Well, first thing it does is it moves it. And the thing is, if you're drinking water that's been stuck in a bottle for a lot of time, not a lot of movement in that, and you might be thinking, well, what's wrong with that? Well, think about your body. You're mostly made of water. What happens when you wake up in the morning? There's not a lot of energy. You're just like, you're in that position where there's no movement, there's no energy, there's no creation, there's no magic, because you're resting. Well, we want to make sure that the water is moved. Why? Because your body was created to move, and so was water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do what the planet does, and there is such a beautiful affinity between air and water. And when you pour the water through the air, there's a beautiful symbiosis, and magic just starts to happen. So first of all, you want to make sure that your water has been moved, and it changes. Also, it changes the taste. It changes how your body absorbs it. Now, while you're doing this, don't just be doing that. What you want to be doing is putting a good intention into the water. I had the fortune of meeting a great hero of mine, Dr. Emoto, who really spoke about messages in water. And what they proved is that you can put an intention into that water, and it could be intention like, you make me sick, like screw you, and all of this. And what it does is it literally poisons the water. Whereas if you put an intention of, I love you, and thank you, and I'm so proud of you, and I'm so grateful, and all of these things, what it does is it changes literally the molecular structure of that water. And instead of it, when it's a negative intention, it being all gooey and there's no symmetry and there's no balance and there's no harmony, there's no alignment, what you do is you put a positive intention, and it can come out like a beautiful snowflake. It's symmetrical and it's artistic, and it's a creation where more life can expand through that creation. And that's what we want happening to you every time you drink the water. So what we're going to be doing is, we're not just going to be pouring it, but we're going to be pouring it with that intention. So just going back and forth, and we're pouring in that intention of love. We're pouring in that intention where we're grateful that we're now about to drink this life-giving liquid. And just back and forth just a couple of times, that's all we need to do. And you're literally getting your body ready to receive the water better, but we're also changing the water as well. So with this, what we're going to do now is we're going to put one hand underneath, we're going to put one hand on top, and we're now just going to be grateful for receiving this water into the body. So many people are drinking and eating without consciousness. And what our world needs is a higher level of consciousness. It's almost like we've become like parasites on this planet. We've got to get back to a higher level of thinking. We've got to get back to a higher level of creation. So we're going to be thankful, and we're going to receive this into the body with love. So just thanking the planet for making this life life-giving liquid that contains so much wisdom, so much magic that we don't even understand. Water at the highest level, even though we're mostly made of it, it's so important to be grateful and to be thankful that we can hydrate with this water, not liquids and all the stuff that's jacked up with sugars or sweeteners or synthetic stuff. We're now taking life force into the body in such a beautiful way. So just feeling love, feeling balanced, feeling centered, feeling good in this moment that we are now about to drink something beautiful so that the cells in your body, the cells in your mind, because every single day your mind has to allow so much water to drain out of it, like the old waters, the stagnant waters, and we're now going to replace it with this good life-giving water. So just look at it, be proud of what you're about to put in the body, and let's all say cheers and drink it, and for the health of it. And it tastes amazing. Instead of just guzzling it down like an animal, really take it in and appreciate it. Appreciate what this is doing. I can literally feel it go right up into my mind right now. It's like, it's awesome. Amazing. Amazing. And really just take it in. Like in fact, take it in, swirl it around your mouth. Take it in the body, because what happens is now, as you drink it, it goes in, goes straight down to the frontal lobes and the stomach, and bam, shoots it straight up in the mind, and really starts to get your mind, your brain hydrated so that all the stagnant stuff just gets out and all the new life-giving stuff comes in. It starts to balance out the mind, starts to balance out the body, so that you get to live in something that is without doubt the most phenomenal thing that's ever been designed on the face of our planet. But if you run this thing and you pollute it with liquids that aren't water, and you don't bless the water, and all of a sudden you're just in a hurry. And being in a hurry, we know what that life is like. It sucks. We want to be balanced and centered and focused and be able to go out there with that universal power, the universal intelligence. I'm literally talking about the energy that creates worlds in our universe. Imagine that breathing through you, because you've gone and you start blessing your water. So I really do hope that this video has served you, and if it has, please do like it, please do share it, please do comment below and let me know what you thought of this, and let me know, are there any other videos that you would like me to do, because now we're regular, we're creating videos all the time. So there's something that you'd like to know about, just comment below, let me know, and I'll be happy to put one of those videos together. So from now until then, live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. And for now, I'm out of here.